This is supposed to be the last day, I think, because in the previous 5 days, for myself, I organized more than 5 events and kind of surviving the really, huge, massive rain. So yeah, I'm the founder of ChainID actually. So and this is one of our incubating project called Matrix Universe. So for ChainID, what we are building is we are develop tools. We help with the coders, help them to compile and deploy smart contract. Operation in more than 185 countries. We connect a lot of builders and also, Ethereum Dubai, Ethereum Abu Dhabi. We always be there to support. And for myself, I also co-organized Ethereum Shanghai and also Ethereum Riyadh. Yeah, just a quick intro about ChainID. So we help, developers on Ethereum, on BNB chain, on Flow, on Polygon. We help these kind of builders to help them to compile and deploy smart contract. And we do a lot of education, a lot of hackathons, and we organize a lot of events. And for Matrix Universe, this is one of our major supporting projects. I think in the last cycle, we sell our NFTs and raise around $10 million. And after that, we do a really good fundraising, get some money from Valley. And then this cycle, we try to present the Matrix Universe as an autonomous IntelliVerse. Yeah, so for Matrix Universe, we want it to be a Web3, a Metaverse, and composition of AI. We want to discover a unique entertainment ecosystem at the intersection of Web3, the Metaverse, and AI. We will split the whole stuff into 3 pillars. The first one is autonomous. A decentralized systems promoting freedom and harmony for all. This is very important. And second pillar is about intelligence. It's always about AI nowadays. We see Character.ai and we see a lot of AI GC stuff. It's really booming up in the last 3 years, I think. And for our Matrix Universe, we want to elevate in entertainment with cutting-edge AI technology. And the third one is the verse. We should say that it's a world. It's a boundless multi-chain metaverse of endless possibilities. So for now, we have already connect both Ethereum and Flow, and later on we will connect into more chains because recently we find Bitcoin ecosystems is really interesting. We want to catch opportunities, liquidity, and all the traffic from Bitcoin's ecosystem also. I know that nowadays, to be honest, I think Bitcoins capture the value to issuing assets in the last cycle. Because this cycle, we didn't see Ethereum is just going back, but for Bitcoins, we see OD, we see inscriptions, we see kind of interesting stuff there. So we are trying to expand into more chains recently. Yeah, Matrix Universe, jump a little bit. Yeah, so for Matrix World, it is a central social nexus. We want to engage in a multi-chain 3D metaverse, dive into an expansive social hub designed to onboard users into a world. So nowadays, everything is real, is online. If you type matrixworld.org, you can just directly play with it. It is a browser-based metaverse, and we built that for 3 years. And the second one is Matrix Intelligence. We empowering user experience with AI. So this is the AI augmented experience for all. We're leveraging the cutting edge AI services to craft unique user experience. So actually, this one is more like a ChatGPT. You can talk with some animes, you can talk with some characters inside the Matrix universe. But this kind of NPC, non-player characters, they are kind of interesting. When you talk with him, when you teach with them, you can get some interactions and they can gain your experience. So inside our world, the NPCs, they are not stable. Whenever you talk with them more and they will interact more. The final one is about Matrix Treasure. So we want to have an economy backbones. So we want to reward the participation with on-chain ecosystems. So at the heart of Matrix Universe economy is the Matrix Treasure. We support the Matrix Universe tokens. And also we will have some mining games. When you play with some games and also you see some advertisement, you can get some rewards. Jump a little bit. So this is Matrix World. It is a browser base for easy access, and we have AI-powered NPCs to bring life to Metaverse, and also we have the frictions Web 2 to Web 3 transitions, and we are user-friendly content on board. So I will show you some pictures. Jump a little bit. Yeah. So for this kind of downtown area, you can have a lot of games, and you can have a lot of meetings, and also Ethereum Dubai's hub in these ones, you can directly to enjoy with this experience at our booth. And also this is a cargo area. So this area is the place that all the people will on board. So the background story is more likely that we go to a new planet with a spaceship and you are there. And also we have some campus areas. So we collaborate with University of Alberta. Our president and our dean of computer science also, support us. And we kind of do a digital twins of the whole university inside, and we bring some AI NPCs, and also later on we will have some education programs like the universities inside the Matrix universe. And this is the downtown area. And we will have an instance user space. This one is very interesting because as we all know that for big Metaverse, everybody just running and trying to find different things that you can interact with. But as this kind of instance user space, you can have some unique and isolated games. Inside this kind of games, you can have some horror games, and you can have some mining games, and we can collaborate with different chains. For example, now we get support from also Immutable X, and also get support from Flow. They can give us something like the NBA Top Shot, the NFTs, and also we can get something like the tokens. So inside the mining games, you can mine the real tokens and you can mine the real NFTs. This one is a little bit interesting. And also for this kind of instance user space, we can connect with small games. And these kind of small games will adding values for the people that want to enjoy something they can play with, they can interact. This is very important. And these are the instant base, for example, there's Ethereum Social Exhibition Hall. So inside that, we will keep all the stories about, the events, Ethereum conference, summit inside, and we will let people can show and can enjoy. And also for this kind of characters inside the social hub, you can interact with it. Just like the Ready Player One, there's a museum, and you can interact with him and to see the history of Ethereum. And in this kind of the hoverboard games instance, you can do a racing with your friends, and you can race by yourself, and you can challenge the records. So all these things are done, and you can play with this now today. And we will have the sample instance user space that you can build your own room, and you can put your own website display, Twitter feed walls, video billboards, and lots of stuff. Jump a little bit. Matrix Intelliverse. So this is the design for users, and also it's virtual sensible and creative unleashed and involves the intelligence. So this is the Matrix AI. So for the AI stuff, for my background, I think I have some old techniques about AI. So when I study the AI, I know the supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforced learning. Because I studied AI like 10 years ago, my supervisor is also an expert in AI. He's a triple AI fellow and go to Google Brain. But for myself, I'm more like from the blockchain stuff because I'm a coder, start at year 9. And when I reach the Web3 stuff, I start to coding. And I kind of the first wave of coders on Ethereum ecosystems. And later on, we do a lot of NFTs, DeFi, GameFi, blockchain stuff. But for this AI stuff, this is done by our Canadian teams. They are very experts. They got PhDs in machine learning, and they know how to, AI augment all the stuff. But for me, I think the important thing is that you can mint the UGC as NFTs, and you can store the important key metadata, such as personal IDs, and also the agent IDs, and all these kind of models, and all the unified information on the blockchain. So I think this is very important. We want to merge the AI and blockchains together, not only for the economic side, but also we want to keep the models, keep some key informations on blockchain. And we use IPFS or Arweave as an infra. And this is the things we have already built. You can find some NPCs for the universities in our maps now. And now they are trying to sell you some course, maybe not sell you some course, but introduce, what we have at the computer science in University of Alberta. But later on, we will have more kind of these AI characters to show what we have and to do what we have done. And this is from character.ai. So later on, we were bringing this kind of animates, some Japanese characters, and also some this kind of AI bot. You can chat with them, and they will learn from your talk, and they will gain some experience about what you have done. So this part, we plan to collaborate with Nervous. Now they are having their new standard for the NFTs called DOP, and they just have their first DOP called Unicorn. And later on, we will present different kind of version of the unicorns, and you can talk with this kind of bot. The next one is the Matrix Treasure. So we want to empower the user values. So we promote the sustainable engagement by empowering users to contribute values, and we guarantee the incentive to all. We governance the contents and contributions, and we have the proof of value to earn. So this is basically what we have for the users. They get insight. We want them to first, they will get their subscriptions about their Matrix pot, which means they will mint a SBT to represent their traffic, to represent who they are. And then they can enjoy different games, they can enjoy different AI stuffs, they can enjoy different instance plays, and they can mark this kind of content, because we want to do a criteria that can select the good content and also select the entertainment part. And if for the content consumers, they will see the best content they have ever seen. And for the content creators, if they get inside our ecosystems, we can give them some grants. And this kind of grants can help them to get inside different AI PU models. They can generate their own values. And also for content publishers, we want to have a quality at the front end, and we take care of the curating high quality content. Recap. So we split the whole metaverse, and not only metaverse, but the anomalous world into 3 pillars. The first one is Matrix World. It is a centralized social nexus. So we want to onboard this kind of quality content. For example, the universities, for example, Ethereum conference, for example, the summit, and also some education materials on Matrix World. And later on, we will also have the Matrix Intelligence, which means we will have the AI chatbot to empower all the NPCs in this metaverse. And in the back, we will have some economy backbones. So we will let the users, they can come and they can earn something. And they are earned not only by, they come as a bot, they can get the tokens. It's more likely it's something like they enjoy the content and they think this is a really good content, and we can share the values to different distributors and users. Jump a little bit. Yeah, so for the Matrix Universe, later on we will connect with more applications, we will connect with more partners. So we want to onboard their games, we want to onboard their entertainment, we want to onboard their apps inside this kind of great universe. Labs, this is not important. So our team is founded in Vancouver in 2017. And it's around the same time as Chandy has grown. And we do primary sales, we have a lot of good friends. And our teams graduate from University of Alberta, and we are all coding monkeys. So, basically we are all coders. And we get some investment from Skyline, from Animoca, and from Bonfire, from a lot of capitals. That's it, pretty simple. And I think I can show you something if this network is good. Let me see. So this is our, official website, and inside you can see there's a word, and now you can connect with your different wallet. I see there's no wallet here, but actually, even if you have an email, you will be able to connect with it. Let's see. So this is all, this is all depends on the Wi-Fi here, and also the sample PCs. We didn't use any other stuff. I think it may need to download a little bit. We do not have clients. All these kind of things are browser-based. So I hope this one can be downloaded. Let's see. Console, source. Interesting. So I think the network is not that stable, but it's okay. We have a booth there. If you go to my PCs, you will be able to see that. Thank you.